It's just Aurora and welcome to my little YouTube space. So in today's video, today is another natural hair tutorial for you guys, and I'm going to be reviewing a product. So currently my hair is like washed, clean, treated. Like it's so soft. I'm in love with like my hair right now, and I just tied like this so that I don't make my hair to detangle more, and I don't want that. So for the shampoo that I use this shampoo by Mikala. This is a shampoo that I've bought like not once, not twice, not 3 times. And for my hair mayonnaise I used this is actually not my first time me purchasing this hair mayonnaise, and I have many videos on this product. So Saru Organic sent me like some few products for me to try, and I have like these two products. This is Saru Organics, which has moringa and lemongrass, curly enhanced custard. So it's like a gel, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And this other one is the Saru Organics, which has moringa and lemongrass mousse. This is their mousse. Yeah, for me their packaging is really amazing. I like the packaging, but I think they like changed like their packaging. So I'm here to review this product out and try it out. I've only tried this product out on, actually this one on my wigs that I made, and this one only, what I just did is just open it and smell it. I didn't do much to this, and this is how it's looking like. Yeah, so I don't know which I'm going to use, and I wanted to do like bantu knots out, but I want to do like flexi rod set. And the first time that I actually did the flexi rod set, I was in love because it turned out so good, so good. Yeah, it turned out so super good. And this is actually the first time me using these two products. I don't know if I should like use them together or separately, but the direction for this, let's call this a gel. It's after shampooing and conditioning hair, apply the curling custard to wet hair and comb or finger through it and style as desired. Allow hair to dry naturally, processed, blah blah blah. So after shampooing you're supposed to use this, and the direction for this is use on damp hair, what you can use it on twist out, flexi rod set, bantu knot. So I think I'm going to use this separately. I'm not going to use this. So without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. I'm going to try to combine, and we see if there's a big difference, or if this product can actually work alone. So this is how the product is. Oopsie, I don't want to waste any product.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
I don't know if you can see, like my cards are so defined. So now I'm going to take this one flexi rod and then just put it on. So you need to make sure like your hair is properly detangled before you put the flexi rods. And then I'm going to take this and first secure the bottom, and then I'm just going to roll it. Okay, I think I've done. And then so I'm going to basically do that to the rest of my hair, and I'm going to come back when I've reached to this section right over here. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on.
So now I've sectioned this part out, and I've been using this mousse separately. Now I'm going to combine these two and see how it will be, if it's okay, if you can just combine the two. And I want to see like the result. So I'm just going to go first with this moringa and lemongrass curling enhancing custard, and then we'll see. And I don't know if I mentioned, I don't know if it's the smell of moringa I'm smelling, but it's smelling not that strong, it's just there. Yeah, so I love this product. Smell, I'll give it 10 out of 10. So I'm all done, so I'm just going to wait until they dry so that I can come here and just take them out and we see the final result. So if you have not subscribed, kindly do so, hit that subscribe button and also the notification beside it, and don't forget to like this video, do all the stuff, you know what you're supposed to do, and that's what you're supposed to do. Just like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells on. And this section here, I combine this mousse and also this gel, and we're going to see if these much of a difference or not. But anyway, I'm just going to talk more about this product when we are doing the flexi road.
Never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never
So actually it's the next morning, and I've taken down all the rods of my hair. Now I'm going to be using this coconut oil to, like, separate, and also this one for my scalp. So those are the two products that I'm going to use. So I've decided to use the argan oil instead of the coconut oil because I haven't opened this yet. So this is the little that I'm remaining of from argan oil. Actually it poured, so it poured, unfortunately it poured. So I'm just going to rub it on my hair, and then I start. I'm going to use this for my I just boop boop, and then just I'm not going to do anything extra. I'm not going to do anything extra. So everyone, so I think this is the final thing. I know this is the final look. So let me talk a little bit about this. This mousse, and this I think it's a gel, but for the gel I use the Nice and Lovely styling gel because this is my favorite, like, babe. Anyway, this one and this one you can combine, but as you can see, this is the part that we combine the both, and the rest of the hair is where I use this product is natural, sulfate free, fragrance free, and that's why the smell of it is not like a perfume that is, like, mixed together. And it's cruelty free, eco-friendly free, and paraben free. So this is like a natural, 100% natural product. So it's really really good for your hair. And it's moringa. It's actually really good for your skin and for your hair. Moringa just makes your hair looks just to be healthy, and also give that shine and all that stuff. So if you obviously if you use for a period of time, and then that's when you're going to see the changes. And overview of this product, I like the packaging, the black and all. I like the packaging, and also they changed their packaging, if I'm not wrong. This is like they launched this a couple of months ago. I have had this for, like, I think 5 months, yeah, when they sent me. But anyway, this is how it's looking like. And for my oopsie for my hair, it feels okay. I can't say it feels so soft or not soft. It just feel how my hair normally feels like. Yeah, so this is like an overview of it. I really really like to try it on a bantu knot hairstyle and see, like, the difference, because obviously for bantu knots my roots will be a little bit tighter as compared to this. I didn't, like, roll it to my scalp kabisa, because I was sleeping with them. And if you have ever put these rolls on your hair, you know how uncomfortable they can be. Like, today I haven't slept well. But tonight I'm going to sleep. Okay, so that's an overview of it. And this product, I'm going to also use this one as, like, alone, and we see how it goes. And yeah, this product, I can't really say much about this, but these two smell the same. The smell is not strong, it's natural. So yeah, it smells so fresh, yeah, and it doesn't stay on that smell on your hair for so long. So yeah. And like I said, for detangling, I use this argan oil to detangle my hair. Okay, for my edges I use this, and as you can see, yeah, I didn't do much on my edges. And for my scalp, I used my favorite TCB, yeah, what a scalp smoothing conditioner. Yeah, I like this on my scalp. And also my mom loves this. So those are just the products that I used. And for the technique that I used, I will, like, advise someone, if you're doing it on yourself, just use, like, two small section, and your curls will pop out. And go and watch the other video that I did using the same flexi rod set, and the technique, everything. That video is more detailed than this one. Yeah, so this is just testing out the product. And if you want to, like, compare the two, this how this turn out, and the other one, because I did the other one like a few months ago, not like I actually did them last year, if I'm not wrong. So go and check that out. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and also hit on the notification bell beside it, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, and share if you want, and I want you to do so. Share, and I'm going to see you on the next one. I love you all. Bye bye.